has a small commentary. Vishnu Chakravarti Thakur, he's speaking here, verse 47. Of course, the verse is about the Labdhamana Mahatmana. It says they took on this man, this pride, this self-respect, because Krishna was honoring them. Then because Krishna is such a lover that each gopi felt that they were alone with Krishna. They didn't even see the other gopis. This is his mystic power. Oh, Krishna! Krishna's only alone. Krishna's only with me. I came here with hundreds and thousands of other gopis, and there was only one Krishna a moment ago. And I was thinking, how will I dance with Krishna? How will I be with Krishna? And all of a sudden, here I am. It's just me. It's only me and Krishna. So each gopi thought that, and they thought, oh, acha, Krishna's only with me. He's favoring me, and I don't see it, the other gopis. Oh, I guess I'm special. So then Krishna was thinking, acha? But he was expanded with each gopi, and each gopi thought they were special, and then Krishna, poof! Then, although they couldn't see each other before, when Krishna was individually with them, when Krishna disappeared, then they opened their eyes, Then they saw thousands of other gopis everywhere, and no Krishna. If you try to think and see this thing in your meditation, it's quite extraordinary. We read, actually go there and be in a swarup and there, and it's